In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually log a call on a contact in Hubspot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to refine your workflow, knowing how to log a call manually can massively streamline your client interactions and records management. Let's dive right in and make sure you're getting the most out of this powerful CRM tool. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage. This is the central hub for all your CRM activities, and logging a call is no different. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a Login button. Click on this to access your personal HubSpot dashboard. It's essential to ensure that you're using your assigned credentials to avoid any access issues or data discrepancies. With successful login, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home screen. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not used to it. Now from here you're going to focus your attention on the CRM section. It's typically located on the main navigation bar. Clicking on CRM will take you to a series of options dedicated to customer relationship management. Next, you're going to select Contacts from the CRM menu. This section contains all your client contacts, acting as an address book where you can store significant information and interaction histories. From here, navigate through your list and choose the contact you wish to log a call for. This selection is crucial since the log will be added directly to this specific contact's record. Upon selecting a contact, you'll notice a three-dot icon on the page, generally located towards the top or beside detailed contact information. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. This menu provides several actions related to your contact, one of which is log a call. Now that you've found the log a call option, go ahead and click on it. A new section should appear allowing you to input details about the call. Here you can meticulously fill in the date, duration and nature of the call, along with any notes or information gathered during the interaction. Remember, the more detail you include, the more valuable this log becomes for future reference, assisting in seamless communication with your clients. Finally, confirm the details and save the call log. All this information becomes readily available in the contact's timeline, allowing you and your team to access it any time, providing a comprehensive look at all engagements. Logging calls efficiently ensures that your records remain up to date, fostering better customer relationships and more effective communication strategies. And there you have it. Manually logging a call in HubSpot is a straightforward process, yet incredibly beneficial in maintaining organized communication data. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out more tips to enhance your HubSpot experience.